I'm I'm here today, Wednesday, the 4th of March. Last week, we have fully aligned Adamawa State to APC because it's a home return for most of us. And today I'm here officially to pay a courtesy call and on the chairman, national chairman, and the members of the NWC to further pledge my full loyalty to the party and to assure them that we have come to work and ensure that we also deliver on the electoral value that we have come with it to the party in the next general election. And that is what matters to our party, the APC. And I think, judging by the work done by Mr. President, he deserves a second time. And I think it's going to be smooth. It's going to be, he's going to be accepted by all Nigerians because the microeconomic policy that he initiated, yes, it was rough for most of us because we are not used to it, but it has given a very positive result to us, and the country is really working and we're on the right direction. And it seems to be agreed by all of us that there is light at the end of the tunnel.
You know, Fintiri is a fitted political maestro, and everybody knows the value that he has brought to the politics of the Northeast in terms of coordination, in terms of bringing new life to Adamawa State, and in terms of project and development, what he has done is unbelievable. So bringing him is one of the best additions that we are having in recent times. And we want to welcome him to where he rightly belongs. He's a progressive with a progressive mind. So he wouldn't have settled anywhere else than the APC, where his policies will be best appreciated, where he can fit into the renewable agenda of Mr. President and factor himself into what we're doing. And most importantly, you ask the question that will there be opposition in 2027? It's not our duty to organize opposition. The duty of opposition to organize themselves. And we're very happy if they can organize themselves because our duty is to ensure we win the election. So we can't go and start organizing, funding, and building the opposition. It's a competition. We are presenting our scorecard to Nigerians. Nigerians everywhere believe in us. And you could see that across the country, all the elections that we conducted, the by-elections, the off-season elections, APC has been winning left, right, and center. So what they keep on saying that is Nigerians against APC. Who are the Nigerians? These same governors, these same voters, these same ordinary person in society are the Nigerians. And we believe that Nigerians love the APC and they love Mr. President. And we return back in 2027 sustain the impact of the New Hope agenda on the Nigerian economy and Nigerian people. There's synergy between the party and the executive. We want to ensure that because they are implementing the policies of the party, the promises we made to the people, we have a social contract between the people of Nigeria and the party, and we're ensuring that we supervise, we have an oversight function to ensure that all those promises that we committed ourselves to the people are being implemented. So we're refreshing what has been done, what hasn't been done, how it can be done, and what we've done in excess. So I think basically that was just why the ministers were around for us to
Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Congratulations. Staff Secretariat. Excellency, your staff are lawyer. Your staff secretariat are lawyer. We are here behind you. Yes. Okay.
Bluetooth mode.